Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, in this video, I try to give the answers of every question based on as of now all the updates, and I will also give the clarification on each and every aspect. Okay. Also, I will give the summary of yesterday's session with CMA Sanket Pandit Bhai with our respected Papan sir. Okay. If any candidate want to watch full session from CMA Sanket Pandit YouTube channel, you can see the full session. But in this video, I'll try to give the clarification or update and the summary of yesterday's session. So first of all, we'll discuss about SAP exams. Okay, SAP exam, who are eligible to give SAP exam? Those students who has successfully completed SAP batch 1, batch 2 only are eligible to give SAP exams. Okay, and if those students also not interested to give SAP exam, do not worry, you still eligible to give main exam. But benefit of giving this exam and clarifying is this exam, you need not to again appear in the SAP training or SAP exams if unfortunately you could not clear your any group. Okay, so hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, and I will also make a separate video how to book slot for SAP assessment exams. Okay, and those students who didn't attend any SAP batch, either they did not receive any mail, so do not worry about. Every student is eligible to give, every CMA Inter student is eligible to give main October exam, irrespective of whether they earlier conducted a SAP batch training or not. Now come to when will 100-hour computer training batch attempt and update on 3 days CSS training and IOTP training, 7 days IOTP training for CMA final student. So there is no update on this except the main SAP exams. Okay, so as of now, every student should focus on the main exams. Okay, every student is eligible to give main exam irrespective of whether they conducted SAT training or 3 days training or not. When will 100 computer training exam will take place or IOTP training. Main focus on the main exam. Now come to when will institute will upload suggested answers, or as of now the update is that I have already prepared. Institute already upload the mock test paper for foundation, inter and final. Okay, the students are complaining that the paper pattern is very tough. And what will be the paper pattern? So please understand the answer of first question, suggested answers. So suggested answer, as of now institute should upload the suggested answer for December 2020. Time is already too much. Okay, so as of now in yesterday's session also Papan sir told the same thing. Institute is working on this and we are expecting that soon suggested answer will be uploaded for December 2020. But as of now, foundation, inter and final mock test paper has been released by institute. You can also download and you can also practice. Please practice more and more. This will benefit to crack your October 2021 exam and September 21 exam for foundation student. Okay, and what will be the paper pattern? So guys, paper pattern, you need not to consider a mock test paper as a final paper pattern. After some time, institute also release model test paper. You can consider the model test paper as final CMA paper pattern. Okay, but I am expecting that your students are complaining that mock test paper are very tough. So do not worry about this. But earlier I have also said that in online exam you have to practice theory more and more. Okay, writing theory in offline is totally different writing theory in online. Still you have any too much time, please prepare for mock test paper. Okay, model test paper is also like similar, but you cannot think that this will be a tougher one. Okay, but you have to practice more and more. But model test paper will be the final paper pattern you can expect. Now I have noted down all the point. I will receive one by one. Okay, some of the student has received, those student, now the next update is those student who has applied for another group. Some of the student received the mail. Those student who yet did not receive, institute is working on this, those also receive the same, so do not worry about. Okay, and now the second the next update, the next clarification is that some of the students who unfortunately lost their parent due to the COVID-19, and the institute has released the course waiver fees. Okay, so institute is working on this. Whenever I get the information, surely I will update you. Yes, mostly those already taken the admission also relieve some relief, so do not worry about those students. Okay, and this is also good news for those old students, those CMA Inter old students who are waiting for SAP exams or SAP training. Okay, so Papan sir in the yesterday session told that yes, institute is working on this for CMA Inter final and also for CAT student. Institute will provide a SAP course with a nominal fees. So whenever institute will release the information on this, surely I will also update on this. Okay, so do not worry about the students who are thinking that the exam will be tougher one. Okay, the exam will not be a tougher one, but yes, we can expect there will be some slight changes. And yes, model test paper we can expect the main format. But as of now, practice more and more mock test paper. Do not think about this is a tougher one. Okay, so please practice more and more mock test paper. Okay, now come to Okay, this is a good news for that. Most of the state government are interested CMA CAT course. Okay, yes. Recently, Pondicherry CM also met with the officials of our our mother institute. So yes, the different state government are interested our CAT course. Okay, this is also good news for us. And now some of the students are also confusing about due to third wave of COVID-19 whether October exam gets scheduled as per time or not. So as of now, we are expecting that yes, mostly the exams are going to start as per schedule in October 2020 itself for inter and final, and foundation in September itself. So do not worry about exams are going to start as per schedule unless there is a, you can say that COVID-19, but we are not expecting the third wave of COVID-19. Okay, so do not worry about. Please practice more and more mock test paper. Okay, institute has released the mock test paper, so we can understand the intention of institute are going to start as per schedule. Okay, so do not think about. And now what about December attempt? So institute yesterday Sachin Papan sir has also told about that it is too early to say that it is too early to say about December attempt, whether December attempt get postponement or not. Okay, so do not think about this as of now. Okay, but we need to keep in mind that exams are going to start as per schedule. Okay, in December itself. So do not think about. And whenever institute will release some information about postponement of December, I will surely inform you. And now about, we already know that cabinet has already approved the MOU between CMA Institute and ACCA Institute. Yes, so officially CMA Institute and ACCA Institute signed this MOU 9th August 2021, and after that institute will release the subject wise exemption and the you can say that the some fees exemption. So whenever institute release this information, surely I will make a video about subject wise exemption and the total fees we have to pay whenever if we are starting our ACCA course after completing CMA course. Okay, so this is all about. So my humble suggestion to everyone, please practice more and more mock test paper. Okay, please prepare mock test. I'm accepting that there will be some changes and students are worried about the paper pattern is very tough one. Okay, but still we have some more time. Okay, so still we have some more time. Practice more and more. Okay, we need to be some more conceptual rather than mugging up. But do not think about the exam paper pattern will be tough one. But I can assure you that model test paper will be the exact paper pattern. Okay, so institute will release. Till now, prepare mock test paper 2016 past year paper. This will be more than sufficient to clear your foundation, inter or final exam. And again, I am in a crutch manner repeating the SAP exam. So please understand that those completed successfully SAP batch 1 or batch 2 are eligible to give SAP exam. And if they also do not want to interest to give SAP exam, do not worry. Still, you are eligible to give main October exam. So, okay, and those students who earlier not taken the SAP exam, do not worry. You can give the main October exam also. So, and yes, soon institute also release the SAP course for inter old student, final student, or CAT student also. Those are interested to pursue the SAP training. Okay, with a nominal fees. Whenever institute release these kind of information, surely I will update all this kind of information. Okay, so still any candidate has any doubt or need any clarification, surely in comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.